How to maintenance, precision air conditioner, filter replacement, temperature control side, radiation side. Be sure to read the precautions listed in the instruction manual before starting work. Required tools, materials, new filter. There is a temperature control side filter. Is on the back of the main unit. Remove the temperature control side filter. Install a new filter. Radiation side filter is on the side of the main unit. Remove the radiation side filter. Install a new filter. Filter replacement is complete.